as you go down. Now as we leave New Harbor here, folks, we're going to head out into Muscongas Bay. And Muscongas is an Abenaki Indian word that means a good fishing place. Now our destination here this afternoon is a little small spot called Weber's Dry Ledge. And out on Weber's Dry Ledge we have a wonderful summer resident community of harbor seals that we're going to stop and take a look at. So in the meantime, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. We do have a galley on board. We've got nice hot coffee and tea, ice cold soda, beer and wine, fruit juices and water, beautiful homemade cinnamon rolls from the Covered Restaurant here in New Harbor, chips and candy and all kinds. We're going along here this afternoon, folks, and we need to point things out to you. The way that we do that is to turn the boat into a large clock. We're going to call the front or bow at about 12 o'clock. The stern or rear of the boat is 6 o'clock. The starboard or right-hand rail is 3 o'clock, and the port or left-hand rail is 9 o'clock. And the numbers just go around from 1 to 12, and in that way you'll know roughly what direction to look in.
Hi, Chuck.
Oh, yeah? Well, when he first built it, it was written about in the local newspapers, and folks came from all around to see it. And everybody enjoyed it very much. There was just one problem. Boaters would be offshore, out by Eastern Egg Rock and Monhegan Island. They'd see this light flash at night, and they'd look for it on their nautical chart, and when they couldn't, in his ruling, the man was ordered to extinguish the light, but he was allowed to keep the lighthouse itself. So he maintained that throughout his life, and his children have since taken up the cause, and will probably be looking at this little lighthouse for many years yet to come.
Oh yeah, you can see the